Hello again, you beautiful people of the planet Earth. Thank you and welcome to another episode of Life Learner. So today we are going to be unboxing the Dior travel perfume. So this one I bought from Meyer. I will put the link in the description below as to where you can get this from. I'm not quite sure though if by the time you click it that it's still going to be in stock, because I think this is a limited edition. So this one comes with a 50 ml Miss Dior eau de parfum, and then the refillable Miss Dior travel spray. So this is kind of like a band type ribbon. So I didn't need to undo the ribbon because it's like a rubber band. So let's open her. I got this from, I think December. Oh no, for Mother's Day. I think, yeah, because it was on sale. So this is what it comes in with. So that's the 50 ml Miss Dior and then the travel spray. So I know for some they said that the travel spray came with the perfume inside it and they didn't have to fill it using this one. So if only I could get it out, right? How do you do that? Goodness, it doesn't want to be removed. So this one, I think you can get it off quite easily, but this thing, gosh, it's difficult. Whoop. Okay, so let's get this thing out, the cardboard, and then maybe like push this one out. There you go. That did the trick. So they said that some of them it came with perfume already inside and you didn't have to refill it with what was inside this bottle. Now, how do we okay, there's an instruction on the back. It says take off the nozzle of your favorite Dior fragrance, pull the refill bottle out of your travel spray case, place the bottom of your refill bottle on top of the spray and fill it up and down, and lift up and down to fill it up. Good luck. Good luck. Oh, pull up. Ah, okay, good. Beautiful. So it does actually have perfume inside. Ah, that's kind of nice. So I don't need to refill it. So it was saying that if I wanted to refill it, I would have so I'd have to take this out and yeah, and just insert this thing here and then pour. But looks like we don't need to do that now. So yes, I'm sure you have sniffed or you know exactly what the scent of Miss Dior is like. I'm not really a fan, to be honest. This is not my favorite scent because although it's feminine, it's blossomy, it's floral, I feel like it has a bit of a musky scent for me. I don't like anything musky. So I like floral, fresh, light, sweet, citrusy, but I'm not a fan of anything musky. But I do know that perfumes that last longer in scent tend to be those musky type. That's not for me. So I'm just gonna show you or tell you more about the travel case, because essentially I bought this because of the case, the travel case. So it looks like it's a leathery material. You know the type of you know the type of material you get with like leather shoes, fake leather shoes? That's it. It's it's smooth. Not sure if you see that, smooth, but with just the lines and the label Dior. And yeah, it's pretty light. Oh, it snaps into place. So you, it's like a magnet. So you pull it out, and then you don't even have to push hard. You just have to like pull it down, and it just locks into place. I'm sure you've heard that. And yeah, I love this. I wish I unboxed this before I went to Europe. So yeah, this is why I bought this for. Pretty good, hey? So it's kind of different feel because this is leather, and you know how leather is, it's not smooth, but this one, it's kind of smooth. It's very smooth, apart from, you know, it's not a stitching, but like the dots, the traces, and the design. I love it. I love it. I wasn't expecting that there'll be, you know, some perfume inside already. I was thinking I've had to fill it up, but yeah, this is ready to go basically. So once you get the box opened, just pull this thing out and you're pretty much ready to go. Put it in your purse. It's kind of small, yeah. So that's the palm of my hand. It's the same height as up to my thumb. So yeah, pretty handy. I love it. That's it, you guys. If you've got any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. And again, only spread positive vibes. Thank you again for watching my videos, and I would really appreciate it if you don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again, and you have a great rest of your day. Namaste.